Hello guys, I am going to make a video with spiders. Okay, so first you go first. What's your name? Your full name?
No, it's gonna be not full name.
Okay, just
My name is Busi. How about you?
what's your name?
Yeah.
And what's your first name?
Kian.
And mine is Brayden.
What should we do now?
And we're making a spider video.
What should we do? What should we do?
You will be my assistant. You will be in my video.
I'll be back.
Okay, let's just move it over here.
I cannot now see. Miranda, the
No, I can't. No, everyone can see. These are my friends. I only have 3 friends. Let's start off with the blue Superman. Okay, this is going to be embarrassing. I don't know why, but all my spiders are big.
Yeah, it's really cool.
You Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
So this guy have.
Yeah, this one's the true one. This one's the nice one.
What's the name again? Dark Knight?
It's not Dark Knight. It's not Dark Knight. It's Red Devil.
Red Devil. So this guy have Red Devil, bro.
It's very big. Lucky you may get it.
You are the assistant.
Maakar dia na.
Okay, how about that? Di wala naman. Uy, what the fuck, man? What the fuck, man?
Bit me. Yeah, but
Oh no, you're gonna get Jackson. I'm not even holding that. Oh, sorry.
it's not poisonous.
And why do you say you can get me? I saw him joking.
Over here, it's a really big. It poop. Right over here, it's really big.
Red Devil. Red Devil, guys. Red Devil.
Oh, Red Devil.
So, baya na Red Devil.
It's very strong.
Butang na sa subunan.
Let's go put it in
Hello.
my subanan. And then sweater. Next Friday. Friday.
Thursday.
Friday next. Oh, why is it covered? I think y'all guys are going to be surprised. No, sorry guys, my sister's over here doing trick shots right over here. My sister, she's doing trick shots, and my cousin Aya's doing is borrowing my sword. Dito ba? Dito. Ito.
5. Layos.
Friday is next. I think you're going to be surprised because I think there's going to be a tigre or a pepper. Ayaw di ba?
No.
Are.
It's pepper.
It's a dark night.
It's a dark night, guys. Look at the dark night.
Give me the paper.
I'll get the paper.
Parang paper. Dun. It's a dark night.
Wow!
It's a dark night. And it's really big.
No
No sabong.
Reduce sabong.
No sabong.
No fight. Only later. Only the small ones.
Yeah, only the small ones against my big ones.
Yeah. To feed it to them.
Or no, big ones versus big ones.
Yeah.
Not these ones.
The other big ones. From the Gran Turismo.
Yeah. Like we're going to find Kaka.
Hello,
Kian.
Look, Kian.
Sorry guys.
Kian.
Oh, bitaw ka sa kadal.
Ako, Ali, dire. Okay, next is that. Tumbat na sa cellphone.
Next is Tuesday. Didi.
I'll open it.
Oh.
Pepper. What spider inside in the Monday? Wednesday.
It's Thursday.
A Thursday. What's inside in a Thursday?
You guys are going to be surprised.
Yeah.
This is my favorite color.
Pepper. Ako ko ang pepper.
It's a pepper.
Red pepper. La 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 la.
Keep it on the door. Save the light.
He can really gamble.
Yeah. Like I saw you. Like when I watch a YouTube video about a story about spiders in the Philippines, a pepper like this one won. No, it's okay.
Papa Gini, mama. Excuse me.
Can't refresh it. Didi, dito ba?
But what happened is nagba tulo sa
Dali
tambong.
na.
I don't care. Let's just
Wala
put
po eh.
some ugly food. Let's just put Ah! I can't breathe. I'm sorry. Lego Zaki ni Didi, but Zaki said sorry. And Didi said,
Next. Oh, this is my favorite.
the tigre. I'm sorry.
Tigre. Wait, guys. Do you wanna see who I got first?
Sorry. The red double.
The
red double.
big red, which is
Starts with the letter S. I'll get the tigre.
Stop flexing your thing.
Stop singing that. I'm sorry.
Singing, don't make me another. You need me there to tell me not gone.
Go release it. Release it. Have you guys been eating Taco Bell, bro? 'Cause every time I get a spider, it's open.
Look at me, I saw this.
What's this
I'm
spider?
not hearing me there. So
No,
tell me what.
it's not a papaya. Papaya is more worse than this one.
You're right.
Tell me where the star, sweet, baby. Hi.
All of these are females.
Ow.
All of these are big. Tian. You know what Tian means?
Tommy.
Ow.
Ayaw, di ba? You hold this.
Sticky.
Go.
Okay. So, dito ba?
Can I put this back?
We're done.
Imagine a spider. Ngayon ka, ikahatlo ko kaka, Zaki. Zaki ka. Makak, Zaki, makak. I'll put it back.
Okay, put it back.
Do you see this, guys?
Red double.
It's really hard to find a that type of
What's
thing.
that again? A tigre, guys. It's a big type of tigre.
It's a tigre. It's a tigre type. No. It's a tigre type. Tigre? Yeah.
Tigre too.
It's half pepper, it's half tigre.
So it's tigre thing.
Tigre turn.
Tigre turn. Not tigre thing. Tigre thing. Zaki! Zaki!
Chismoso! Wala man siya na to. Oh yeah, this is the most biggest one in here. In here, like the blue box. This is the most biggest one.
Guys, what spider is inside? Okay, guys, what's inside? What spider is in the Tuesday? Tuesday.
No, it's not Tuesday. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh yeah, you're correct. What is inside Tuesday? You wanna know?
It starts with the letter
T.
T.
And then in I, and then in G.
Yeah.
D.
If you guessed it correct, it is tigre.
No. Subscribe.
Yeah, so true, right?
Subscribe and like.
Come
Raiden's
on.
video.
Comment.
Raiden's video.
Comment.
Yeah. Come on.
Comment.
Ayos.
This guy would not leave alone. Would not leave. Wants to see.
And this guy is Tigre naman.
I want to touch it. But why does that? It's really big.
You drank.
And you put it in your feet, bro. You feel like it's an ant.
See, guys, it's really big.
Normal tigre. Very big.
This is the maximum size of a tigre.
And then someone just give that to Brayden.
For free, actually. For free.
And then the owner.
The owner greeted my mom and then gave this spider to my mom, and then my mom
Give it to me.
went over here with the
There's a
kaka.
lot of slippers.
Yeah, those are my slippers.
Open.
I'll do it.
Hello.
Wednesday, third row, Wednesday.
No, it's another one.
Monday.
Guess what is it?
Monday.
Tuesday.
It starts with the letter T-I-G-R and then
Yeah. Tell me. And then you're gonna subscribe. After you're done,
if you guessed it wrong, then you have to subscribe.
Yeah. And you guess it's right, you can like.
Yeah.
Or do everything.
Bro,
Do
I get
everything.
toys.
Yeah, or do everything, guys. Like comment or like or subscribe.
Or share.
Yeah, or share.
No.
Isaac!
Yeah.
We're vlogging.
It's okay. We're back.
Why Zaki's not even joining us? Zaki
See
join.
this? This is another tigre. And this time it's a tigre. That tigre. How many tigres do you have?
Two.
Oh no.
Zaki loves papaya so much.
Yeah, he also loves like
He loves spinning and papaya, spiders.
and
Spinning
or like
is kind
also
of mid.
or some small spider, he'll get it.
Yeah.
And then he'll just kill the spider. And someone give him a spider, bro, he'll just kill it immediately. He'll
Like
just
he
fight
doesn't
it.
even know how to feed it, right?
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Next, the last one. The last one is no, it's not the last one. We still have this one. No, the blue. The last one, the blue.
Also the other one.
Oh my gosh, the red devil is over here.
And that's the other one. No.
That's
And then after that, after that we have a lot of spider. We have 3. There's spider inside in this thing. Yeah, 2 spider inside.
doon sa camera. It's another one, guys. It's a tigritter.
Be at the back.
Uy, igana.
Tigritter.
What's that mean?
2.
Mama turned
Tigritter.
And then these are
for painful memories.
and it's another tigritter.
I have 4 tigritters. No, it's actually another pepper. It's a normal one.
Who's that? I think someone. Let's check.
No, it's okay. It's just someone.
Yeah, someone like Zeb or Xavier or something. It's Zoe. No, it's not Zoe.
It's random.
Yeah, random. Like
It's Zoe.
Or it's the
Like
or it's
Zoe
the
the
neighbor's
Ati.
dog.
Yeah, it's a chihuahua and we hate chihuahua.
Or a fairy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Also, like,
Remember that toddler that had
beer.
also Ate Joy.
Bro, you remember
Guys,
You remember Jern got catched then by a dog?
got chased by a dog.
Yeah, like
We are already done with this part. Didi.
now
Now
it's
it's
all
all
of the tickets.
Now-
Shut up.
Shut
And I hate that type of
Shut up.
Spider-Man.
Shut up.
You know who
Shut up.
You know You know who teach
Shut up.
You know who teach Didi how
Wow,
to say bad
that's
words?
a big one.
It's like
Wow, this is
it's
Ayodi!
massive.
He is massive and he put again. Look guys.
He's almost much bigger than anything, bro.
Oh. Can you go get it?
I got it. It's so big.
It's so big.
Yeah. Bro,
It's the size.
It's
It's
like
the size.
it looks like it's pregnant, bro. It looks like it's
It's
pregnant.
the size of a normal bee.
Yeah, also it's the size of a pregnant mom.
Come on.
Pregnant mom from a
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Pregnant mom.
Come on. Come on. That's not a big.
Wait.
I should be a baby.
If you play with spiders and you don't even know how and you're new, just you know how to make them sleep, just blow them.
Okay.
Like slowly. Like this.
Ayos, okay, only vision.
See? Instantly
Oh,
sleep.
come on.
And then the other one.
Come on. Come
The other one next. The other one stop.
After this one is the last one because I only have all of these.
Only two. The others died. The others dying.
I will go my house.
Okay.
Wait, after that you go outside.
Yeah. After it we should go outside.
And then we're gonna find spider, guys.
Small spiders.
Yeah, small spiders, also big one. And then we're gonna show it to you.
It's another one. Muli na ka?
Aya.
Hindi ko mawaway ka. Let's just continue.
Bro, we're
So
gonna
this
find
one is
spider.
very fast.
Yeah, like, and then we're gonna find more spider in the video. Okay, guys, just wait
This
for
is
us.
very fast.
Wait for us, okay, guys. We're gonna come back, find spider, like strawberry spider.
Guys,
or-
this one is the last one.
Yeah, last one. Yeah, and it's fast. See? Wait.
See?
See this, guys? See this? Wait, I just hit the gym.
Ah, shit. Ah, no. Bro, I found it. Look
Bro.
into the phone. Last time I
Black Widows doesn't even exist here.
Hey, it is.
It doesn't.
No.
It only exists in Africa or houses.
Yeah, it also is this here? Is this
No, I get that. What we do?
Are you sure?
You always lie.
I get
Yeah, you're just joking. Yeah, you're joking. Yeah, you're joking. You always lie to us. Guys, we're gonna come back later. We're gonna still find spider, guys.
Wait. It's still not there. Okay, put this in.
Ayaw, sakit. Oh, naak mo. Oh, napataw. Daak means bite. Yeah. And then this
Do you know why? Do you know why we speak that language? We are Filipinos. And Filipinos plays with spiders.
Wait, I just hit the jackpot.
And we also speak English.
Ayaw, sakit. Yeah.
It's our second
Thing. And I really
no,
don't.
it's our second.
And we don't
Guys,
know what's to that.
Guys, subscribe and like, bro. Subscribe.
Oops.
Subscribe and like. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.